No, that one's a bear.
Bee.
Bear.
Bee.
Bird.
Bee.
Bird.
Bee.
Duck.
Puppy.
No, that one's not a puppy. That's a duck.
Duck.
Duck. Good. Horse.
Fruit.
Good. Froggy.
Rabbit.
Good job. Kitty. What's that one?
Puppy.
Yeah, that one's a puppy.
Puppy.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Goldfish.
Cricket.
Good job. Girl. That's a girl. That's a little girl. All done. Bear. Bear. Where's the puppy on here? Where's the puppy? Which one's the puppy? Do you know? That one's a bird.
Bee.
That one's a froggy.
Rabbit.
Goldfish.
Puppy.
Okay, ready? Let's do a test. Ready? What one is... What's this? Goldfish.
Good job.
Ready? What one's this? No, that's a different kind. What is that? Kitty. Good job. What one's this? What one's that? That one is a puppy. And what one is this? What is it? It's like a puppy, only way bigger. It's a bear. Bear. Good job. Bird? Horse. Horse. What's a horse say? Titty.
Good job.
Bee. Goldfish.
Good job.
Do you remember this one? We just learned it. No. Sheep. Sheep. There's no cows in this one. What does a cow say? Mo. Get your other animal book. We'll do different ones. Get your other book right there. Get that one. We'll do different ones.